Got a 2015 Cruze with 162k miles. Haven't started and we're already leaking. I'm there by the water pump. Draining pretty quick. Just start off with taking off this air box right here. First you disconnect this connector. Got a hose clamp with the 7mm socket. Right here it's got a rubber grommet. And back there, just pull that out. We just gotta take off this motor mount. I already lifted the engine up a little bit. The motor mount's got all 15mm all around. Just take that sucker off. You got 315s in here. Show them to you now. Take this out. 1, 2, 3. Could see the leak down there, but I still can't see exactly where it's coming from. Pretty sure it's gonna be the pump. It goes this pipe towards the back of it, but pretty sure it's gonna be the pump. We'll see. Look at this guy. Can I help out? So we're able to use an 11mm for the tensioner. I forgot my torque speeds, but we could use an 11mm. You just turn it like you're gonna tighten it, and it should loosen up. And for the pump, you could use just a 10mm. Get those out. Just got that pulley off. You can see that pipe, it's gonna be the whole assembly all the way back to there. So we're gonna have to take off, it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, like 10 bolts in that pump, if I counted right. Just a heads up, these hoses do get really hot and cold, hot and cold, so they tend to get stuck to everything. So when I took it out, I did end up damaging it a little bit. You can see right there a little bit. So what I'm gonna do is just cut that her part, and then we'll still be long enough to reach without rubbing anywhere. I just gotta do this, or yeah, this clip, this sensor, this connector, and we're ready to roll. So it does have 10 bolts in total. And then those ones that I lift on there are the long ones. So there's short ones and long ones. Once you take all them bolts out, you just got that one last hose right there, and it'll come out. Now you just clean up the mating surfaces. Make sure there's no debris, no debris. Here's our new pump. I went ahead and did a new thermostat too. Might as well, we're already there. Comes with the gasket. Let's get it done. Here's a cut section. Fit just fine, no rubbing, no nothing. Now we just slap this sucker on. Put in the connector. Put in that pulley. is a 15/16 wrench. Slap it on there, that way you can tighten the pulley bolts real good. Fill it up with coolant. Got no more leaks. Golden. I would just let it get to operating temperature. Make sure there's no more coolant I'm gonna add to it. Meanwhile, we'll pick up. Get ready to go.